This is solving a system with three equations. We will first want to choose a variable, and I am choosing the first two up here, which, those are the ones that I will choose. We will next do the scaling part and have a 5 up here, a 2 up here, and a 5 down here. And now we will not need to make anything negative because the 5 on top is already negative. We will next write the equation below, which is negative 10x minus 10y minus 10z equals 120. And then 10x plus 40y plus 40z equals negative 240. And this line right here is very important, and so is that addition mark. We next will solve and cancel out the 10s and get 30y plus 30z equals negative 120. We will next choose another two sets of variables, and I will choose these last two right here. And we will do the scaling part now, which I will put a 2 there. So we will rewrite this equation. 2x plus 8y plus 8z equals negative 48. And then negative 2x minus 10y minus 4z equals negative 64. And once again, we will put the line and addition mark. We will next solve, which we will get negative 2y plus 4z equals negative 64. And we'll also want to cancel out the 2's. We next will rewrite the equation from the first and second steps. And so it will be 30y plus 30z equals negative 120. And then negative 2y plus 4z equals negative 64. And we will next need to do a scaling part. So we will put a 15 right there and scale it across. So we're going to rewrite the equation as 30y plus 30z equals negative 120, and then negative 30y plus 60z equals negative 960. Once again, we will have the line and addition mark. And next we will solve by canceling out the 30s. And this will equal 90z equals negative 1080. We'll next want to divide the 90, and we will get z equals negative 12. We'll next want to plug that in to the equation, and we will get 30y plus 30 negative 12 equals negative 120. and 20. And we will want to subtract. We'll want to cancel that out, and it equals negative 360. And we'll add 360 to both sides and get 30y equals 240. And next we'll divide 30 out and get y equals 8. And that is our second answer. We will next plug that into another equation, which is negative 5x minus 5, 8 minus 5 negative times negative 12 equals 60. We'll next cancel both of those out and get negative 40 and 60. We will next add 40 and subtract 60 to both sides, which will come out to 40. And we'll bring down the negative 5x to right here, and divide negative 5 from both sides, which will equal x equals negative 8. And that is the final answer.